Welcome to our journey through the cosmos. Today, we're diving into some of the most fascinating facts about the universe. From the vast expanse of space to the mind-bending concepts of black holes and dark matter, we're about to embark on an awe-inspiring adventure. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the wonders of space together. Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy about 100,000 light-years across. It contains billions of stars, including our Sun. The Milky Way is just one of over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy is a vast island of stars, gas, and dust. Within those galaxies, countless stars, planets, and perhaps other forms of life may exist. The universe is not static. It's constantly expanding. This means that galaxies are moving away from each other at incredible speeds. The farther away a galaxy is, the faster it's moving. This phenomenon was discovered by Edwin Hubble in 1929, and it revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. The expansion of the universe is a profound concept, suggesting that the universe had a beginning and has been expanding ever since. Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in the universe. They are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Black holes form when massive stars collapse. At the center of most galaxies lies a supermassive black hole, millions of times more massive than our Sun. Chapter 4. Neutron stars, cosmic lighthouses. Neutron stars are the dense remnants of supernova explosions. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it collapses, forming a neutron star. These objects are about 12 miles across, but can have a mass twice that of our Sun. They spin rapidly, emitting beams of radiation like cosmic lighthouses. Chapter 5. The Big Bang, the beginning of everything. The universe began with the Big Bang about 13.8 billion years ago. This explosion created all matter, energy, space, and time. In a fraction of a second, the universe expanded rapidly. Evidence of this event is the cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint afterglow that permeates space. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. The first exoplanet was discovered in 1995, and since then, astronomers have found thousands more. These discoveries have revealed an incredible diversity of worlds, from gas giants larger than Jupiter to rocky planets like Earth. Some exoplanets even reside in the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions might be just right for liquid water and the possibility of life. Chapter 7. Galactic Collision, Milkomeda on the Horizon. In about 4.5 billion years, our Milky Way will collide with Andromeda. This cosmic event may sound catastrophic, but it's a slow, graceful dance. Their gravitational forces will distort shapes, creating streams of stars and gas. Eventually, they will form a new, larger galaxy called Milkomeda. Chapter 8. Hubble Space Telescope. Our eyes on the universe. Launched in 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Orbiting above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble captures breathtaking images of galaxies, nebulae, and celestial objects. Its observations help determine the universe's age, study galaxy evolution, and discover new moons and planets. Chapter 9. Dark Matter and Dark Energy. The universe's biggest mysteries. They make up about 95% of the universe's mass and energy. Dark matter is invisible but affects galaxy motions. Dark energy causes the universe's expansion to accelerate. Chapter 10. Cosmic Wonders. A universe of awe. Exploring the universe reminds us of its vastness, beauty, and mystery. From particles to galaxies, the cosmos is filled with wonders. We can only imagine what secrets the universe holds. Each discovery expands our understanding and ignites our curiosity. The universe is full of wonders and mysteries. From the birth of stars to the dance of galaxies, the cosmos offers endless opportunities for discovery. As we conclude our journey, let's carry a sense of awe and a thirst for knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.